2010 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. With less than 48,000 miles on the odometer, this truck makes room for the whole family. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, cruise control, power side view mirrors, variable speed intermittent wipers, air conditioning, ABS, power locks, front side airbag, front side head airbag. This is a top-rated dealer. Call us. We'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.